Oh, I gotta hold it steady, I think. Hello, and welcome back to Cooking with Josh.
And Babe.
And Babe. That was a very mellow intro. Today, oh, Babe's tired. Today, we're gonna be cooking something that I've wanted to cook for a long time, but it's very time consuming and very expensive.
Wow, I cooked it for you a long time ago when I was trying to woo him and win his heart.
Woo. So today we're gonna be cooking a lasagna. Not just any lasagna, but
the world's best lasagna.
The world's best lasagna.
I found it.
I feel like it's the world's most expensive lasagna too.
It is.
So.
It is, and it takes a really long time. I've made it 2 times in my life. And
so this is gonna be a
8
third
hours.
time.
Yeah, this will be my 3rd time.
Yeah.
Now we're doing it together in love. It's gonna be a lasagna.
Make sure, based on the time and the cost, make sure you watch until the end of the video for a special surprise. All right, anyways, here we go.
I found this recipe on Good Morning America like 8 years ago, 6 years ago. It's made by a guy named John Chandler, and it's on allrecipes.com. It's called the world's best lasagna. So it has taken me 7 or 8 hours each time I make it because of how much the sauce needs to simmer. This right here is about $50. If you include these, it's probably like $60.
$60, babe, for a lasagna.
Yeah, it's very expensive.
So what do we have here?
So we have every kind of tomato your little heart can imagine.
Sauce. Mm-hmm. What is that?
Those are chopped. Crushed, I'm sorry. Paste. We have
some cheese.
Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, ricotta cheese. We have onions pre-chopped because I can't handle it. Garlic, parsley. Now the recipe actually calls for sweet Italian sausage, but I like to have a little spice.
What is this? What is this thing that costs $4.23?
This is a pound of ground beef.
Ground beef, okay.
Fennel seed, Italian seasoning, basil, pepper, salt. And I think that's it. So what we're gonna do is start with making the sauce.
So what's the first step, babe?
So first I am peeling garlic. Now it calls for 2 cloves of garlic. I'm gonna put in like 4 because we like garlic.
Okay.
I'm just doing that right now.
Show notes.
I'm gonna start the fire, and I want it to be like when, just so it's like, yeah. Olive oil, we're gonna put the garlic in. Calls for a cup of onions. Maybe a little more than a cup. Put our ground beef in.
How much ground beef was that?
1 pound.
1 pound ground beef. And this is Italian sausage?
Italian sausage, yeah. From the sausage kitchen.
Babe, this is the sausage kitchen.
It is. Yeah, it is, babe.
You know that I hate our can opener?
That's because you don't understand how to use it.
No, it's because it sucks. So between the expensive children's pizza challenge and now this lasagna, boy oh boy, you're an expensive
Your $1,000 a week girlfriend.
$1,000 a week girlfriend, that's your title.
That's my title.
$1,000 a week girlfriend.
Yep. All right, I got the meat browned. I got the garlic and the onions in. But now I have to add all of the sauces. We have the paste, the crushed, the sauce. And then I have to add all of the seasonings. So
you're gonna put all the sauce in the pan, you're gonna put the seasonings in the pan.
I am.
You're gonna put all that, and then we're gonna start simmering.
I am.
Got it.
an hour and a half since we started. We have 45 minutes left on the simmer. And it is smelling fantastic, but I'm ruining my shirt because it keeps getting on.
Like tomato sauce on the camera lens.
I know.
Babe, can we talk about one more thing real quick? The last video, I'm gonna link it above right here. Babe twerks.
No, babe, I'm so embarrassed. I don't twerk.
It's so good.
No.
It's so good.
I just look like a big sloppy thing.
Anyways, the cooking with children / twerking. You gotta see the last video. I'm gonna put a link up there. You definitely.
Cheese on it, and then that's the sauce.
But it's smoky, babe.
Well, that's because it's hot. It's probably going to melt your mouth.
Like you, babe. You melt in my mouth. Oh, man.
So good. Is it the best lasagna you've ever had in your life?
I mean, that makes me feel a lot better for spending $60. It is really, really good. It is really, really good.
Yeah, babe.
And we haven't even done the noodles and stuff yet.
I know, it's yummy. Okay, we're gonna put the noodles in. Oh, the noodles just dropped.
Dropped where?
Down the disposal.
Oh, so we're gonna have garbage disposal $60 lasagna noodles? What about Drake?
Yeah. Maybe that's like...
Kiki,
Oh, here we go.
do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always.
No. So we're gonna start by putting sauce on the bottom. Okay? Next, kinda just work it out. I gotta get it spread.
And then what, more noodles?
Nope, and then more sauce.
More sauce.
Okay, then I need some mozzarella cheese.
Some mozzarella! What about these big old chunks of mozzarella?
Mozzarella. Parmesan.
Parmesan, Parmesan, Parmesan. More noodles. So you keep doing this over and over and over again until it's layered at the top, right, babe?
Yeah, you just repeat.
Babe's working on pan number 2. I see the oven is set at, hold on, let me use my awesome zoom lens. Whoop, 375.
Yes, sir.
We started at 3:30, it's 6, and so this is not gonna be done until what? Like 7:15-ish,
Yeah, 'cause it
7:30?
has to sit for about 20 minutes after you.
So we're not gonna eat dinner until like 7:45.
Yeah.
If you guys have hung in here this far at the video, thank you, thank you, thank you. Definitely leave a like and let us know if this $60 lasagna is worth it. Once you taste it, it definitely is worth it because it is pretty freaking amazing.
Yeah, baby, yeah.
2,000 years later.
Okay, go, go, babe, go, go.
Okay, baby, here it comes. Here it comes.
We had a fan show up at the door.
A fan? Get over yourself.
A fan? A subscriber, if you will.
Get over yourself. My goodness.
No?
Who are you?
I'm Josh of Josh and Babe. 266 subscribers.
Oh wow, you've gone up.
Yeah.
We are doing really good.
Yeah, really good.
The last video I watched, it was only 130.
Yeah! See? Yeah, from 150 to...
Oh my gosh.
Babe, that is not the face of a $60 lasagna that's taken 5.5 hours to cook. Try it again. Put it in your mouth and say how good it is, because it's so good.
That's so good, babe.
There we go, that's much better.
Can't wait. I'm very excited for that.
Adam said, I'm not allowed to give out the recipe.
I was really excited.
I don't care what any of these people say. This lasagna is the jam.
Thanks, babe.
It's the jam. They're talking girl talk. Anyways, the lasagna came out awesome. You guys need to try this.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching if you made it this far. Really appreciate it. And yeah, keep a lookout for the next video. Thanks. See you guys.